Welcome all students in DTE practical session. Today we'll perform our practical number 1, that is test the functionality of logic gate. In this practical we are going to check the functionality of different digital gates, that is basic gate, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate and XOR gate. For all logical gates, IC integrated circuits are provided with different numbers. So we'll first see the function of logical gate OR, which has IC number 7432. For checking the functionality, we must know about the IC pin diagram, that is internal IC diagram of OR gate. Here OR gate IC 7432 picture is provided. In this picture you can see that pin number 1 and 2 are the two inputs for 7432 OR gate, and pin number 3 is output of OR gate. Now we have to connect plus 5 volt for these two inputs, and we are going to observe the output at pin number 3 according to this truth table. So this is the internal diagram, that is IC. Now we'll see the IC, how to connect the input and output connection. For this IC you will require pin number 7 as a ground and pin number 14 as a VCC. Pin number 14 and pin number 7 is the supply for any digital IC. So you first have to connect these two pins for working of IC. Now we'll see the breadboard connection for this practical. Now this whiteboard you are watching on the screen. This whiteboard is called as a breadboard. The dots provided for the connection. Inside that connection, copper path is connected. So whenever you join the IC in that pins, in that blocks, you will get supply automatically when you will provide connection for it. Now on this breadboard, IC 7432 means OR gate IC is connected. See how it is connected. The lower section is connected in lower section dots, and upper section is connected into upper section dots. So this is a 7432 IC we have connected on breadboard like this. Now you can see the notch over here, that means semicircle over here, and below that pin number 1 is present. This is pin number 1, and this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and above pin number 7, this is pin number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is 7432 14 pin IC. Now we'll see the connections. Now we are giving a supply to this. We have taken plus 5 volt supply from this board. Here plus 5 volt input is available. This LED shows us that input plus 5 volt is available over here, and ground means 0 volt is available over here. So we are taking plus 5 volt and 0 volt from this board, and we are going to connect this plus 5 volt and 0 volt to our breadboard. Now red wire means plus 5 volt taking from board and giving plus 5 volt supply on breadboard. And this black wires, with the help of this wire we are providing ground to our board. So this is the two connection that we are providing, plus 5 volt and 0 volt to our board. Now the pin white wire is connected to pin number 7, that is ground, means we have to connect this to ground. So this is our ground connection. So horizontal dots are in series with this connection. So we have connected pin number 7, that is pin number ground, is to our 0 volt supply. Now pin number 14 connection, we are doing pin number 14 connection. So pin number 14 is VCC, that means plus 5 volt. So we are connecting in series with plus 5 volt. In series with plus 5 volt. So pin number 14 connection is given to pin number plus 5 volt, and pin number 7 connection is given to ground. Means initially we have connected a supply for our IC, which is very essential for working of our IC. Now we are doing connection of input output. The blue wire is connected to pin number 1, that is our input, and pin number 2 is also input. So we have just taken the wires out from these two pins for input connection. Now LED is for output purpose. This is a positive and negative two terminals are there. The longest leg of LED is considered as positive pin, and shortest leg of LED is considered as a negative. Now this LED we are going to observe the output of our OR gate. So this LED we are going to connect to pin number 3, which is nothing but our output. So LED's long leg is connected to pin number 3 and short leg is connected to ground, means 0. Yes. Now we are going to we have given the wires for input connection, that is pin number 1 and 2. Now according to our truth table, we are going to provide the input status for pin number 1 and 2. Now blue wire means pin number 1 is connected to ground. Likewise white wire for pin number 2 is also connected to ground, means we have given first input condition, that is 0 0. So both the wires are connected to ground pin. So according to truth table our output should be also 0. So like as shown in truth table our output is also 0, that's why LED is in off position. Now for second connection, pin number 1 is 0 and pin number 2 is 1. So we are going to connect a white wire, that is pin number 2, to plus 5 volt. So in next condition of our truth table, that is 0 and 1. So pin number blue, that is pin number 1 connection is connected to ground, and white wire, that is pin number 2 connection is connected to VCC. Means we are providing 0 and 1 combination to 32 IC, and according to truth table we have got the output, that is 1, and that's why our LED is on for this condition. Likewise we are doing next combinations according to our truth table, means pin number 2 is connected to ground and we are going to connect pin number 1 to plus VCC. Again for this condition, that is third condition, 1 and 0, will get the output 1. So our LED is in on position. Now we are connecting our pin number 2 to plus 5 volt, and pin number 1 is also connected to plus VCC. For this also we are getting the output 1, means last condition, that is 1 1. So at the last stage we are also getting output 1. Here you can see that last condition means blue wire and white wire both are connected to plus 5 volt VCC. So hence by breadboard connection we have proved the Boolean truth table of 7432 IC. So this is the circuit we have made on breadboard to check the functionality of IC 7432. Likewise, we can take different ICs, that is 7400, 7404, that is not IC. Then 7486, that is XOR IC. 7408, that is AND IC, and 7400, that is NAND IC. So all these are ICs are 14 pin ICs, and all ICs are having pin number 14 as a VCC and pin number 7 as a ground. Likewise, pin number 1 and 2 inputs and 3 as a output. So for checking the next functionality of next all these IC, we just want to replace this 7432 IC with all these IC. So we can check the functionality of all these IC with the help of this connection, breadboard and supply. So this is our first practical. Thank you.